What's happening, guys? Welcome into the new studio. Look at this. We've got a backdrop, we've got sound wave things, got my kit set up, we've got all the cameras, so let's get going. Today I'm going to show you that really cool lick I played at the end of every fourth bar. So grab the PDF below and we'll get started. So today's lick, like all my chops and licks and little things I show you, is built out of very simple building blocks. So it starts with 4 notes. Now we're going to play this in a groove context today. So I'm going to play the first note, which is a right, with a bass drum. So we've got right, left, left, kick. Then we're going to play a paradiddle diddle, which is going to go right, left, right, right, left, left. Now, the first right in that paradiddle diddle, that's going to be on the snare drum. So we've got 10 notes so far. That sounds like this. So now we're going to add 6 more notes. I'm going to use one of my favorites, right, left, kick, but we're going to invert it. It's now going to be kick, right, left. So we're going to have the first kick, right, left. It's going to go kick, obviously kick, right hand on the hi-hat. And then we're going to accent that snare drum because that left falls on beat 4 and we're trying to keep a backbeat going to make it sound like a groove. So now let's try it all together, nice and slow. Now if you're a bit adventurous, you might want to substitute one of those bass drums for a little stepped hi-hat. Now you can move the right hand of that kick right left around the toms like I did in the intro, or you could even put some diddles in those. So now I'll just mess around with those variations a little bit fast just to get it really cooking. Here's what it sounds like. So if you guys dug this lesson, first in its new surroundings, if you did, please jam that subscribe button. Check out some of my other lessons on the channel, give them a like, and I'll catch you guys next week. Take care.